Good morning, children. Welcome to our video, 6th Standard Physics. This is Mrs. Manonmani P. MSc B.Ed. Hello, children. I'm here because I love teaching and children. Today we are going to learn about chapter number 1, Matter. Learning objectives. Definition, composition of matter and states of matter. What is matter? Anything that has mass and occupies space, this is called matter. Matter is all around us. The air we breathe, clothes we wear, the food we eat, the vehicles that help us travel from place to place are all matter. Examples of matter. Children, here one person is sitting in front of the computer. Now we are going to find out the examples of matter here. Yes, person, glasses, butterfly, computer, coffee, desk, chair, plant, cat, cloud, sun. Yes, matter is anything that has mass and takes up space. So these are all the examples of matter. Now we are going to discuss about composition of matter. Did you know he is a Greek philosopher, Empedocles? Theories of matter. In ancient times, various theories were suggested about the nature of matter. Empedocles held that all matter is made up of 4 elements: earth, air, fire and water. Here Leucippus and his pupil Democritus. Leucippus and his pupil Democritus proposed that all matter is made up from tiny particles differing in size and shape. Democritus knew that if you took a stone and cut it in half, each half had the same properties as the original stone. Now imagine, children, I'll give you one stone. You have to cut the stone into 2. At the time, what will you observe? Yes, each half had the same properties as the original stone. This is the picture of the atom. He also reasoned that if you continue to cut the stone into smaller and smaller, at some point you would reach a piece so tiny that it could no longer be divided. Democritus called these infinitesimally small pieces of matter atoms, meaning indivisible. Indivisible means பிரிக்க முடியாதது. Yes, atom facts. The word atom means undivided. The atoms are the smallest particles that make up the elements. There are 3 parts of an atom: are proton, neutron and electron. This opinion held today that all matter is composed of indivisible particles called atoms. All atoms of a given element are identical. Atoms of different elements have different properties. He also suggested that atoms were eternal and could not be destroyed. In the 17th and 18th centuries, several key events helped revive the theory that matter was made up of small and indivisible particles. Yes, now activity time. Let's do it. Hurry up, children. Matter occupies space. A. To demonstrate that matter occupies space. Here, these are the materials required for this activity: a glass tumbler, a stone, a thread and a water. Procedure. Take the glass tumbler and fill it completely with water. Now take the stone and tie it with the thread. Then place the stone in the tumbler gently. Record your observation. Yes, what will you observe? The piece of stone pushes some water out of the tumbler. Yes, here see the picture. Here one beaker is there. First we have to fill the water in it. Afterwards we will push some stone inside. Afterwards, guess this water level height. Yes, it changed. Inference. The water is pushed out of the tumbler because the stone has occupied some space in it. The amount of space the stone takes up is called its volume. States of matter. There are three types of states of matter: solid, liquid, and gas. Solids. Solids have a definite shape and a definite volume. Yes, example: wood, stone, sand, ice, brick, cotton, steel. Yes, these are all the examples of solids. Solids have a definite shape and a definite volume. Liquids. Liquid does not have a fixed shape, but it can take the shape of the container. Yes, examples of liquids are oil, milk, and juice. Gases. Gases. We cannot hold a gas. Gases are invisible. Yes, air is a mixture of gases: helium, ozone, water vapor, oxygen. These are all the examples of gases. Have you seen a LPG gas cylinder in your kitchen? Yes. LPG gas cylinder, inside gases are compressed. Gases does not have a fixed shape and fixed volume. Yes. Again, we are going to discuss about the examples of solid, liquid, and gas: kettle, wood, stove, joystick, and car. Liquid examples: river, coffee, bucket of water, glass of water. And then gas: cylinder, gas pump, gas drum, and then fire. It's a time for assignment now. Read page number 11, 12 and mark the keywords. Observe our environment and write examples of solids, liquids, and gases in your rough note. Do the activity on page number 11. Study OTQ objective type questions, page number 18A, 1, 2 and B, 1. Stay home, stay safe children. Thank you.